let's talk about this. After 12 years, I decided to renovate my office. The final touch was getting a custom Grumo sign made. I love it so much, and in this video I'll tell you everything about it. Ordering, unboxing, installation, dimensions, operation, and fixing the cable. Let's start with the ordering process. On Google, just type High Neon, and that's gonna take you to, guess what? High Neon, the website where I got my awesome neon sign. And then you choose High Script. They have a bunch of different options, but that's the one where you're going to enter the letters of your neon sign. And then you click on Design Lab, and now you can design your neon sign. In my case, it's Grumo. This is exactly what I did when I ordered it. You have 9 colors to choose from. Blue, 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 green, pink, orange, and then 4 different backgrounds to see how it will look in your office. And I chose ice blue. Then you have 4 different sizes. I chose the small one, which is already pretty big. And you have 4 different fonts. I chose the first font and the small font, 8 inches per letter. And then I added the RF controller for $32 extra, 310 bucks. It's not cheap. And then you check out, put all your information. And you're gonna have to wait a couple of weeks to get your sign delivered from Toronto. Why am I speaking like an idiot? Unboxing. All right, this is the cool stuff. Finally got there, I couldn't wait. And then I opened it with a knife. Look at me opening stuff with knives. And here it's really well packed and it's pretty sturdy. There is the AC adapter, the RF controller, and the Grumo sign ready to be installed. Yeah! Installation. So it comes with some 3M strips, double-sided, but I don't want, and then these little screws that you have to drill holes on the wall, and I don't want to destroy my wall. So what I did, I used some 3M strips that you can remove, and then I tried to paint them black just to blend them with the background, but it didn't really work. And then you just cut them into thin strips, a bunch of them, and then I attach them, as you can see there, and to 5 different locations, just to make sure that it sticks there for good. And then I put the other side. It's kind of like Velcro, but better. You can see here the 5 anchor locations, and the next step is to stick it to the wall. Just press it and really sturdy there. I really like how it looks. And now turn it on, turn it. Look how pretty that is. 310 bucks, yeah. Dimensions. So we got 24 inches and 8 inches, as they say, on the big letters. And the smaller letters are between 4 and 5 inches. So it's a pretty big sign. This is the small sign. And operation, very simple. You have, if you got the remote for 32 bucks, you can turn it on and you can put the brightness up, down, up, and it gets really, really bright, like insanely bright. And you can also adjust the brightness 25%, 50%, and 100%. I would stick to 25% because it's crazy bright. And then you have 6 different modes. The pulsating mode, which is really cool, which you can adjust the speed, make it faster or slower. And then you have 5 other modes, which are just different variations of your sign blinking. So if you are into the blinking mood, which could be quite distracting for an indoor office. By the way, these are indoor signs. You have to do a special order if you want to put this outdoors. And yeah, back to mode 1. You can adjust the speed again, put it faster, and when you're happy, you turn it off. Nice. So pretty. All right, fixing the cable. So the only problem is that the cable is very visible against a dark background, like in my case, in my dark gray wall. So I just painted it gray with the same paint. So first of all, I cleaned the cable with some alcohol to make sure that the paint sticks nicely. And then I used this antique tin dark gray paint, which is really nice. And then I just carefully apply it to the cable. and then I only had to wait about an hour for it to dry, and that's how it looks like, and it blends a lot better right now. So I just removed the backing, and here it's the end result. Just remove that little piece of masking tape, and look at the end result. Isn't that pretty? Oh, the best $310 spent in the world. Grumo. I love it. It's just so cool. Finally, I'm a little bit cool. At least my office is cool. I don't know about myself. That's it. Thanks to High Neon for not sponsoring this channel. This was paid by my wife's money. And so basically, thanks wife for getting me this Grumo sign. Bye bye. This is so cool. This is the best thing since sliced tomatoes.